The Aviation Initiative is really about growing our economy and enhancing social mobility. At the heart of this aviation initiative is a special and unique partnership between UNC Charlotte and the Charlotte Douglas International Airport.
In my 24 years here, the economic impact of the airport has grown tremendously. In today's environment, we support over 225,000 jobs. The economic impact that we have annually represents about 5% of the North Carolina GDP. That's a really, really big impact for not just our local economy and even our regional economy, but our state economy.
Furthermore, we have this once-in-a-generation opportunity where more than $3 or $4 billion are being spent to enable that airport to accommodate existing demand, but also position itself to accommodate future demand.
The working laboratory here at the airport goes way beyond civil engineering.
When we say we're spending $3 billion in infrastructure, that opens up the door to a lot of different industries. We're talking about planners, architects, engineers. We're talking about surveyors, contractors, electricians, whether it's science, technology, engineering, and math, or even some of the fields that are indirectly related. Workforce development is key to how we're making this a success here at CLT Airport.
This initiative is really founded upon three fundamental pillars. The first is workforce development. The other is advanced research, and the third is community engagement. In terms of workforce development, if you think about the aviation industry, there's an aging workforce. Folks are retiring. Who's going to take those jobs?
Civil engineering for me has been a dream since I was very young, because growing up in a community that is not developed, like my country, Democratic Republic of Congo, gave me the motivation to do something that can bring a change in my country.
In terms of workforce development, there's a need for new courses, new curricula, new programs.
The College of Engineering, together with the Charlotte Douglas International Airport and the leadership team there, have been developing a curriculum over the last 5 years. We've developed some new courses, including airport planning and design project laboratory, as well as a course in collaboration with the College of Arts and Architecture on terminal design.
It's a great experience for the students because it's one of the only opportunities where we use both disciplines in the same environment.
In terms of research, advanced research, one of the most intriguing aspects of the aviation initiative is we have this opportunity to take our intellectual power and harness it through the prism of the airport.
CLT, unlike any other airport in the nation, has offered to, let's say, serve as a test bed, right, for cross-disciplinary set of research questions related to like testing new and durable materials, likewise exploring unconventional solutions to improve access to the airport. We're also talking about like safety and security at the airport. Even like data-driven methodologies. I mean, how we could explore these data-driven methodologies, cutting-edge technology, in addition to shared mobility type systems, multimodal and shared mobility type systems. We see this as an opportunity, and we started coalescing and forming an interdisciplinary team comprising of engineers on campus here. Not just engineers, but we're also looking at, let's say, data science experts, social scientists, architects, business gurus, to work on airport-related projects. How can we come up with unconventional solutions or newer designs that improve access to as well as from the airport?
We have an opportunity to say, what are some of the innovative ways that we can make this infrastructure last longer? And it's really that working laboratory, that living laboratory, that provides an opportunity for us to apply it real time.
Our faculty were involved in a first-in-the-nation sinusoidal joint, which essentially enables two massive blocks of concrete that collectively form taxiways and runways, enables them to come together in a way that's potentially more effective. This hasn't been built anywhere else in the U.S., It's been done at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport with UNC Charlotte faculty working with them in conjunction with the Federal Aviation Administration.
So the sinusoidal joint allows for a quicker access to continue the construction, saving roughly 40% in construction time during the concrete paving phase of a project. So it's time savings, it's money savings, it's disruptive, innovative infrastructure opportunities that we're doing at CLT Airport.
So the third pillar to think about in terms of this overall initiative is community engagement. We're working to increase awareness and provide opportunity, provide mentorship, so that we create this pipeline of interest, this pipeline of enthusiasm.
Getting a civil engineering degree is, I'm not going to say it's easy. I'm not going to say it's hard too. You do not have to be the most smart in the classroom just to be motivated. What motivates me every day when I wake up is I want to see a change in my country. I want to see a change in where I live, in the community I live, not only my country, even here in Charlotte.
Ultimately, where we really want the program to go is to do research on site, a facility that we can do those types of activities, working in partnership with not just the university, but also with the Federal Aviation Administration, with other consulting firms, with others that have a desire to find better ways of doing things.
We're a collaborative institution, so we have our arms out. Anyone who shares our vision and our passion for airports, for aviation, join us, work with us, help us to realize this vision.
The aviation initiative has become so much more than just teaching in a classroom. And for that, I'm really excited about what we've done so far and what we can accomplish, because I think that the momentum for what we've done so far is really giving us an opportunity to see something bigger than what it originally was thought to be. And we can deliver on that.